I'm not afraid of it. Bring it on. I'm going to walk to Ralph's still. I'm gonna use the hurricane to travel. I'm going to jump and then fucking scroll through Twinsimo.
What about the fires in Hawaii?
Yeah, just a big natural disaster crowd, huh? Really want to get to the bottom of hurricane, fire, any lava question? Anybody, earthquake? You guys will work for State Farm or something? What's your premium? The whole crowd is trying to sell me insurance tonight. You're not even audience members. What are you paying? You're paying too much. You know, the Maui fires should have you thinking, you know? LA is very flammable as well.